Hello, YouTube, everybody. Been a while, yeah. Been about a good year. We finally back, you know.
We at my house. It's my kitchen.
From last year, we upgraded a lot, you know. We got our own crib now. We're in California. Everything's changed up. We got some cooking wares here. Stuff that's not out the box shit with like the barcode still on it and the price tag and everything.
We have Apple.
Real life food. Yeah, look, who we got with us? We got Kamikaze, Draw, LB.
You see, we still got the
I feel
labels on
okay.
our
And
supplies.
he's gonna call himself B-Man Talk.
B-Man song.
Yeah. So
B-Man Talk.
we're about to show you how to cook some food.
Alright,
First you show something.
first you get a pot. First you
Get your cat.
We're making cat sauce.
Then you boil it.
Alright, racial. No racial.
Where do you boil it?
Then we leave. Wait 15 minutes.
Hey man, you wanna show us around the whole house?
TV cribs right here, bro. You
Hey, we
know,
dedicated. I
we
like
doing
to
it big.
This is all new. I didn't even check them out yet, so that's how.
You don't even know what they do.
My brother right here. What's up, bro? You
Oh, there's
Security might kick us out.
This is my popcorn maker.
I don't think that's a popcorn. Oh, it is.
It is? Yep.
My blender. This is
Blender for when
my
I
butlers.
cake.
All these people that keep walking in. Those people at the counter, butlers.
Hey, that's good.
Hey man, yeah, good job with what you do. I'll pay you.
Number 9, please. Number 9, make it fast.
Like that.
Dang. They do anything to tell me. What's that, go?
I don't know, but this.
You got it? You got it?
Me next.
Go. You got it?
Yeah. That's crazy. That's crazy.
That actually look fun.
Oh, this shit is fun, bro.
The right way to wait.
My abs up.
No, see, I got